Where did the moon come from? The largest and most familiar sight in the night sky is the moon. Its presence has likely bewitched observers since before the time of modern human beings, millions of years ago. Since then, the moon has been regarded as a deity by many cultures, and stories have been told of its poetic beauty, its magic and power, its role in transforming people into werewolves and other beasts, and its ability to tip those on the brink over to the side of insanity. We have now traveled to the moon, walked on its surface, and plan to return to the moon by 2025 as part of NASA's Artemis space program. We have studied its rocks and interactions with our tides, but when it comes to how the moon was created, we still have only a loose collection of theories. What follows are humankind's best guesses. Co-accretion. Moon and Earth form together. Co-accretion is the first of three older sets of ideas that describe how the moon was formed. This theory posits that the moon and Earth were formed at the same time from a primordial accretion disk-like flow of gas, plasma, dust, or particles around an astronomical object that slowly collapses. Inward, which would help explain the geological similarities between the two. Gas from the cloud condensed into material and debris that were pulled in to attach to one or the other of these bodies. Earth happened to pull in more material and increased its mass. Of the two bodies, Earth's mass allowed it to develop the dominant gravitational pull, and the moon began to orbit Earth. However, critics noted that this model failed to explain the current angular momentum of the moon around Earth. Fission of Earth creates the moon. In another set of early moon formation theories, of which sprung from the mind of Sir George Darwin, English astronomer and son of naturalist Charles Darwin, Earth was thought to have once spun so rapidly that chunks of material flew from its surface. This material was thought to have later condensed into the moon. Although fission theories appeared convincing since the composition of Earth, mantle and the moon was similarly fizzled over time because no one was able to discover the right combination of properties for a spinning proto-Earth that would generate the right kind of proto-moon. More specifically, scientists simply did not believe that Earth could ever spin fast enough to throw off pieces of itself. In addition, so far no evidence of such a rapid spinning event on Earth or the moon has been found.